How to apply to City Institute of Higher Learning, City-IHL. Visit the official website. Check City-IHL website for information on available programs and admission requirements. Choose a program. Identify the diploma or certificate that best aligns with your academic and professional goals. Prepare your documents. Gather the required documents, such as copies of your diplomas and transcripts, valid ID, motivation letter. Download or complete the online application form as instructed. Send all the required documents to the email address or platform indicated on the website. Pay administrative fees. If applicable, ensure that you pay the necessary registration fees to validate your application. Wait for confirmation. Once your application is processed, you will receive an email response with the next steps, interview, test, or further instructions. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact City-IHL admissions team.